Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your domain to your HostGator hosting. So let's say that you set up your HostGator account with a domain, but when you go to your domain it's not loading, it's not showing WordPress, it's not working how you would expect it to be working. And your domain is from another company that's not HostGator. I'm going to show you how to connect it. So for this example, I'm going to show you GoDaddy, but it's going to work pretty much the same with any domain company. It's going to be a similar concept to get it to work. So the first thing you're going to do is in your HostGator, you're going to go to your cPanel. You can do that by clicking Launch cPanel, and that's going to load up the control panel for your hosting account. And what you're looking for is name servers. So name servers are pretty much just a URL that tells your domain name where your hosting is and allows them to connect when they're on two different companies. So in cPanel, it's usually here on the right hand side. So if we scroll down, you'll see here that it says HostGator name server right there. And then you have a primary, secondary. These are the two that we're going to use, primary name server and secondary name server, these two numbers right here. So you're going to go to your domain website now, your domain company. In this case, I'm using GoDaddy. You might be using a different one. And you're going to go to your domains, wherever your domains are. In GoDaddy, it's under Manage Domains. And you're going to go to the option of your domain settings, and you're going to look for where you can manage the DNS. So let's scroll down, and then this is what we're looking for, manage DNS. So you want to edit or manage your domain's DNS. All right, so you see here that there's some name servers right here. These name servers are what we have to change. So we're going to click change, and we're going to leave it as custom. And these two things, we're going to change them so that they are these two things, these two name servers here. So we're going to copy this one, and we're going to paste it here. And then we're going to do the same thing with the second one, and paste it here. And then we're going to click save. All right, so now the GoDaddy domain is now connected to the cPanel and your hosting. So your WordPress install should work. If it doesn't work, you can delete it and reinstall it, and then it should work. But it should work right away. So once you've connected it, you might have to wait a few hours for it to show properly, but usually within an hour it's working. So we can come back here and click refresh to see if it's working. So now after a few minutes, when I refresh the site, we see that now it's not an error anymore. We actually have a coming soon page, and you can just write /wp-admin to log in to your WordPress website with the login. HostGator emailed you the login in case you misplaced it, so it should be in your email. And from here, you can log into WordPress and finish working on your website. Your domain and your hosting are now connected the correct way. I hope this video helped you. If you have any question, leave it down in the comments, and have a great day.